Yeah, let's go in here and let's try some of this stuff.
Or take it home and try it.
Take it home and try it. Yeah.
It looks like hazelnuts, but it's soft. I saw this in China. They have stuff like that, steak flavor. Honey chips. Oh, that's gonna be some kind of lobster or something. So these are dried fruits, dried things.
Lemon rice cake.
Oh, it's squishy.
Green pepper and tomato. I don't know.
Oh, paprika flavored cracker.
Fish.
That's some kind of seafood.
Yeah, it looks like a crab.
I don't know what they are. Big Cheerios, tiny bagels. Oh, that's a strawberry. That white one doesn't say what it is. I don't know what these things are.
Hot chili squid.
Oh, KFC hot chili squid.
Candy crawls, raw flavor.
Hot chili squid, nori seaweed, extra barbecue, shrimp, and then a soup of some sort. These are like bugles.
Yeah. Hot pepper?
Something hot. Sweet basil chips.
Oh, we love basil.
Salted egg flavor.
Let's get that. That sounds different.
So you said skip it or get it?
Get it.
Get it.
Sounds different.
This is what's inside the mooncakes sometimes. We're not trying that. Melon jelly candy. Kind of squishy. Do you want to get some interesting Oreos?
What is this?
One.
Vanilla?
Yes,
Vanilla
there's the
cream?
vanilla flour on it. And then that one's mint
Mint cream looks really good.
and quite American.
Maybe the matcha.
The matcha ones?
Yeah.
Okay, we have two things so far. We have salted egg, chips, and matcha Oreos.
Look at these Kit Kat things.
Oh, it's a cheesecake. Strawberry
I
cheesecake
think we're
Kit
gonna have to
Kat.
get
It's $9. This is Kit Kat section. They have strawberry cheesecake Kit Kats. They have, oh, so it's this flavor, but it's still a Kit Kat.
Oh, let's see.
This is a cheesecake Kit Kat. That's probably pretty good. Sparkling wine with strawberry Kit Kat.
Nuts and
Nuts and
cranberry.
cranberry Kit Kat. Oh, that sounds so good.
Also orange.
Ooh, chocolate orange Kit Kat. How do you say this word? We never know.
Lychee?
Salt lychee. Yeah, that's a passion fruit Kit Kat. Black sugar milk tea almond. That's gonna be good, I bet. Let's get some of that. Strawberry almond. Teal Pocky almond. Matcha almond. All kinds of flavors of almonds. Spicy fish bone. Barbecue shredded squid. Spicy shredded squid. Spicy fish fillet. Spicy white baked. Original flavor white baked. Eel fillet. Golden pomfret. Black sesame fish strip. Vegetarian roasted goose. Hey, you can eat that. You want some vegetarian roasted goose? Come on, you don't have any excuse about it. Okay, it's your turn to pick something. Go pick two things.
Two things.
Two things that you want.
Okay. Pressure. But the Kit Kats look really good to me.
And we don't have any Kit Kats yet.
I've never had lychee before, do you?
No.
Try it?
That's a good experience for us, yeah.
That's actually been called lychee for the first time.
All right.
Cuttlefish cracker.
Oh no. Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I can't find anything out of my comfort zone.
And that definitely will be out of both of our comfort zone.
Vegetarian roasted goose. I don't eat meat, for those that don't know. I would never try to eat goose even if I didn't eat, but it's not going to kill me, so we're going to get some. We'll get four pieces. Each get one to try. If we like it, when I go back to the second, we can.
And if we don't like it, the dogs will.
Vegetarian roasted goose. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get a Pocky. Let's get one Pocky.
The almond one? car.
Maybe in the car. Okay, so we're back home and we're ready to try our Chinatown snacks.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I kind of am, and I'm kind of not.
So which ones are you excited about?
I think I'm most excited about the Kit Kat.
Not very adventurous.
No, how about you?
I think that the ones that are going to be really good is going to be the Kit Kat and probably the Oreos. You know,
Yeah.
American products, we tend to go toward that.
Would you-
And interesting things, I think this one, the Goose thing, is going to be beyond interesting.
Yeah.
Into the realm of, I don't like that.
I'm not going to like it. I may.
And the interesting ones, since I don't know what this is, I'm curious about it.
Cooked chestnut kernel.
Cooked chestnut kernel, I don't know. I'm curious about that one, and I'm also curious about the salted egg.
Yeah, that might not be completely disgusting. It's a potato chip, so. First we have the salted egg Lay's potato chip. Now I think this is from Thailand. Yeah, Lay's Thailand is in the back.
Okay, but we know that salted egg is something that Chinese people eat. Particularly, I know they eat it in mooncakes.
Not so great.
It smells like stale chips.
It smells like crab too. I don't know why.
Okay, well, let's do it. It looks like a regular potato chip.
Oh, I do not like this.
I don't like it either.
I don't want it. No.
It's like something stale and old.
Yeah, I
It's in
can't
my
do this.
teeth.
Oh,
Okay, let's get a drink of water.
what's next, Hope?
Oreo crispy. Oh, it's the thin ones. That's why.
Oh,
And
this should be
it's
really enjoyable.
Matcha. It says matcha roll cake. Oh, it's got 3 rolls.
Wow.
So we can save them.
Can't get this open. Oh, here we go. Okay, so dig in. Very thin.
Oh, it does smell like tea. It
Does-
smells like
oh,
tea.
Yeah. So, what do you think?
I like it. It does taste like tea. It tastes like tea in an Oreo. I like the taste of tea fine. It's got a stronger tea flavor than I expected.
Yeah.
If you could dip this in hot tea, and it would be nice.
It does have a strong tea flavor. I like tea. I don't really like the tea flavor in cookies, but I would eat this. It wouldn't be something I would buy to eat, but if it was out, I would eat it.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Sideways.
Can't commit.
Can't
Okay.
commit now. Oh! Cooked chestnut kernels.
Cooked chestnut kernels.
How can you go wrong? Are they soft though, right?
Okay, it's more than one.
Oh, I don't know about this.
No,
Oh no.
it doesn't smell good. Oh, it's soft. Okay, it's not terrible. It tastes like, it's got the texture of like hominy or
Lima beans.
lima beans.
Yeah.
It has that texture.
There's not much flavor.
No flavor, about the same amount of flavor as lima beans or
I mean, it does have a little bit of flavor. It's not great.
No,
I don't know why
there's-
anyone would buy these
I don't
and
know.
eat these for a snack.
why would you do that
I
on
mean, if
purpose?
you're gonna have it hot and roasted.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs down.
Yeah, I'd never buy it.
What do we got here?
Kit Kat. Oh, we didn't get the champagne. We accidentally got the salt lychee.
Oh, well,
Or I don't know if it was accident.
no, it was on purpose. We thought the champagne would be good, but that's a flavor we're used to. So
We wanted
something
to
we weren't
challenge
used to.
ourselves.
We wanted the salt
Out of here.
Okay.
Fair amount.
I'm gonna like it. I know I am.
Salt.
It's gonna be good. I think
We'll
it's got
split one.
White
White chocolate.
Split it in half. Smell it.
It smells like rose water to me.
Fruity.
It
It's
has
like a
a
fruity rose water. I can
floral-
smell the rose water.
There's a floral smell, which I know that they do eat. Like
Rose.
we eat rose stuff here too, but not as much as they do in China.
Not bad. Very rosy, but not bad. I would buy this once in a while. Not all the time. And you'd be like, oh, that's the flavor
I'm
I'd
so
want.
unfamiliar with floral taste. My American palate just is unrefined. But this is not bad. It's just I'm not really used to it. I'd give it a thumbs
I like
up,
it.
but I'm probably not going to buy it.
like it.
I'll eat the rest even though I don't have to.
I'd buy it once in a while. I wouldn't buy it all the time.
This is black sugar milk tea almond.
What's black sugar?
I feel like black sugar might be molasses or treacle, something like that.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I know that I had milk tea when I was in China and I liked it. Oh, I
smell good?
like it. It's maple.
Oh, it is mapley.
Black sugar might be maple. Maple milk tea almond.
Almond milk
That
tea
can't be
sweets.
bad. It smells heavenly.
Let's
Get
try
yours
it.
out? Okay.
It's good.
It's good.
I wouldn't buy it for myself, but I would eat it.
I would eat it.
It's enjoyable.
I'll probably eat more of this later. Not bad at all.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for sure.
Thumbs up. Pocky butter flavored sticks.
Something like that.
I see them at all the Chinese stores around here.
Pocky.
They all sell them.
It sounds like an English word, and yet it's not an English word. Okay, it's like a breadstick with chocolate on it.
Yeah. I've had these before, not this flavor. Pretty good.
Let me try it. Nothing wrong with this.
This is probably the best tasting thing I've had today.
Good. Thumbs
Yeah.
up?
Thumbs up. This is the best thing that I've had today. Okay. No, I don't want to do this. 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 I don't want to do this.
I mean, I find some comfort in the fact that it's not real goose.
I don't eat meat, as we said before, and I don't like to eat fake meat that's close to the real thing. And this
That's the
looks like
smallest piece.
this looks like it has the skin of a goose.
It does look like skin.
And smell almost a bit poultry. What do you think? Please.
Oh,
don't
it's
say.
peppery. The texture's not like a skin, because I eat pork skins and
Oh, I'm
stuff. It's
so
not.
scared to try this.
The texture's not like a skin.
You're eating more?
The texture's like almost like a Butterfinger. It does have a chicken fat thing, like there's a lot of fat going on in my mouth. Well,
It reminds me of if you were to take the chicken skin of KFC extra crispy chicken and really dry it out. That's what the texture's like to me.
except it doesn't have the salt.
It doesn't have the salt. It is peppery.
It's way, way hard. It's like the hardest piece of that.
There is kind of a poultry taste to
There
it.
is a fat. There's definitely fat.
Yeah. I
Very
don't like
fatty.
it. I don't want to eat it. And big thumbs down.
I'm gonna say thumbs down, even though I
Thumbs
can
down. I don't
handle
want
it,
it.
but. And my fingers are greasy now. Okay, so I thought the Pocky was the best, and then maybe this one, the black sugar milk tea almond, and then the Oreos, and then the Kit Kat. This one is the Pocky, and then, man, these were a hard. These are.
How about the Goose?
Hard to choose one of these. The Goose was the worst.
Okay, the Goose is the worst to you?
Yeah. So these, and then I guess since this one is just so nothing, with that, and then the egg, and then I don't have room on the table, but
For
the
the Goose?
goose.
Okay,
So how would you change the lineup?
Okay, the lineup would change. I'm going to put the Kit Kats after the Pocky. I like the Kit Kats.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
They were fun.
These two were really close though. I think they would taste well together at the same time. I'm going to put the roast goose in between the chips in this. Those chips were just disgusting. The roast goose is bad, but that makes me want to vomit.
You
those were really
liked
bad.
the goose better than...
I did not like it. It was less disgusting
It
than
was
the
less
faded
disgusting.
chips.
I
These
was
are gross
shocked.
too, but if I was forced to eat them, I could do it.
Yeah. There's
After
like
this,
these-
the last two, the goose and the chips, I
Wow.
just can't do.
Okay, so you
Those
would
chips
put
are
goose in the
gross.
chips. They were pretty bad. All right. So go to Chinatown when you get a chance and try some stuff out for yourself.
Stuff around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically get stuff that looks American.
Yeah, pretty much.
Branch out and try some things. It was fun.
It was fun.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
I don't know what they are. Big Cheerios, tiny bagels.